Made in China. Package dimension: 16.764 cm by 10.16 cm by 3.048 cm. Product type: wildlife feeder. Package quantity: 1 nose. Wildgame Innovations manufactures and markets hunting equipment. We offers cameras, feeders and related accessories, hog and deer attractants, war paints and rangefinders. Top reviews from the United States. Game feeder 6-volt motor. Good product. Replaced the motor that went bad on my Moultrie game feeder with this product. Moultrie didn't sell the individual motors, just the entire controller unit, at least for the model I have. I wasn't going to spend more than half the cost of a new feeder to simply replace a cheap motor. The motor is small, comes with 2 screws for the top mount, will spin either direction, and has a standard 1/8 shaft that fits most spinner plates. To install, make sure it spins in the correct direction if your spinner plate is directional by connecting the positive and negative, ground wires to a battery and mark the correct motor terminals. Most directional spinner plates have blades that, if you can imagine, push wind away from the center as it rotates, as opposed to grabbing the wind and pulling it inward. I soldered the wires to the motor and mounted it to the housing with the 2 screws. Soldering is important since everything vibrates and will be exposed to at least some moisture over time. I added 6 inches of wire from the battery with standard crimp connectors and wire. My particular feeder used a slightly shorter motor with no extra room at bottom of motor housing, so I had to cut a hole for the motor at the bottom. As extra precaution, I dropped a small round plastic container into the hole to keep critters out. I could have also glued some screen or plastic onto the bottom. Replacement was easy despite modifying the original motor housing.